stop being cringe. Okay, so hi guys. My Daisy Dog. Where's that Daisy Dog? There she is. That little, like, brown thing. Yeah. Okay, I'll not look anywhere except for you guys. Yeah. Okay. So, me and my sister will film on my channel. And then, I hope you guys like the videos what I make, because my sister, because people love my sister on YouTube. So try to get me more subs and love me, please. Just do better content. Mr. Dog. Yeah, that's the Doge. So, if you just remember that, I would actually be doing stuff, because I don't really have that good ideas when I'm by myself making the videos. So, that's why I want my sister with me doing one, so you guys can get more entertained. Lila? I don't know where she is. She might be upstairs, but... Wait, I need to check. Let me put this with me. The viewers want to get entertained.
Well, I want to ride my bike.
Well, you can't. Please, Dad didn't say so.
Where is Dad? Oh, I think he's downstairs.
Hey, guys.
I swear I heard you talking to Mom.
What?
I swear I heard you talking to Mom.
I didn't.
Maybe it was in my mind, but I did.
I didn't.
I swear I heard Mom's voice.
What?
No. I swear I heard Mom's voice.
You're just hearing things. So guys, I might run and drive. But wait, I have a ball right here. If I make it into this cup, you guys need to like this video and sub. But only one person sub. One person sub. What? No. No. If I make this ball into there, they need to, one of them needs to sub. Oh shoot. You guys win. You guys don't. Well, you guys have a choice.
Yeah, you can subscribe or you don't have to.
Yeah, I like this thing. Get my video.
No.
Okay, what do you want to do on my channel? Yay!
Anyways, I gotta do YouTube work, so bye. Yeah,
Oh shoot! It was this and this. I think I can. There we go. Damn, my thumb for first time. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I'll be doing challenges like eating noodles. Like having this, it sits right there, and I throw my fidget spinner, and if it lands on it like this, I win. I'll do more challenges like that. It's pretty hard though, but people do crazier challenges though. It's scary. You guys are in an infinite loop. Oh God, you guys actually were. Whoa, cha.
What are you doing?
Mr. Bombastic.
Bomba fantastic. Spray stuff in. Stop! I'm gonna tell if you do that again.
Mr. Bombastic. And like, pulling this guy's hair out. Yeah, it's my stupid journal. I hate it. It's stupid, like, I don't know. It's not a journal anyway. Ow, God. Oh, God, it fell on my toe. Oh, jeez. That hurt. I'll not be trying to make it fall on my toe again. Oh, shoot. That's going to be the video. So, see ya in the next one. Wait. So, see ya in the next one. Goodbye. Okay, so, still thank you for like 7 views on the Adopt Me one. Because I got 7 views on it, maybe. But I don't know, I used to have 3 and then 5 and then probably more. That's the video. See you in the next one.